One of the problems with Linux and laptops is the unoptimized operation of the CPU, which negatively impacts battery life. For instance, the CPU often runs using a performance governor with Turbo Boost enabled regardless of whether it's connected to a power source or not. The tools like TLP can extend battery life, but they come with their own set of issues, such as disabling Turbo Boost. Now with that said, it's better to avoid using TLP and start using Auto CPU frequency. Now this video will demonstrate how to boost battery life in Linux using Auto CPU frequency. It aims to replace TLP in terms of functionality, saving battery like TLP, but also allowing the Linux kernel to handle most of the heavy lifting. Before installing Auto CPU frequency, it's good practice to uninstall TLP to avoid conflict. Then visit the GitHub page to learn more about this tool. Once you have done that, find this command, copy and paste it into the terminal and execute it to set up the Auto CPU frequency. Now once the installation is complete, you will see a GUI inside your app drawer. Now open the Auto CPU frequency GUI and click on Install to enable daemon service. That's it, Auto CPU frequency is running as a daemon service. Now on GNOME Desktop, the Power Profile service will be disabled to prevent conflicts and problems. Now reopen the GUI. By default, the system is set to use the balance mode, which works well on various laptops or systems. Enabling the default option optimizes the CPU automatically based on the demand. If you're aiming for more battery life on your Linux laptop, consider enabling the power saving mode. If for some reason, if Auto CPU frequency is not reaching the maximum frequencies your CPU is capable of, you can switch to performance mode. Now this results in higher frequencies by default, but also in higher battery consumption. It's better to use it when needed, otherwise stick to the default option, allowing the system to provide peak performance when needed. Now in conjunction with Auto CPU frequency, you can use ThermalD, which uses various cooling methods to maintain the system temperature. Overall, I would say that Auto CPU frequency is a fantastic tool that optimizes your laptop battery life on Linux. That's about it. I hope you liked this video. For more information, please check the description of the video. Thanks for watching. This has been KS Kiral. I will see you at the next one.